So we've got a little bit of straw here, and we've got a little bit of mud here, and we're building houses near Corunna, Michigan. I'm Lester Graham with the Environment Report, and I'm talking with Raleigh Mikan and his crew here about building Strawbale Construction homes. Raleigh, what in the world's going on here? How do you do this?
Well, it's really nothing more complicated than build your foundation, start stacking bales. Once the bales are up, you slap mud on in layers, and in between each layer you pat it down with a straw to create a substance called cob.
Okay, so in this one, we're building Strawbale Construction outside of an existing structure.
Right.
Do you have to have an existing
No.
structure to make it work?
No, you do not. One of the beauties of this type of construction is that you can take an existing building, put a straw bale wrap around it, and have all of that added benefit of an R45 wall. That definitely reduces the cost of heating and cooling.
Okay, I'm here with Veronica, and she's going to show me how to put some of this mud on the Strawbale Construction. What do I do?
Okay, just grab both of your hands, grab as many as you can.
All right.
Bring it down to the wall. We usually start from the bottom, so that'll be easier for you to spread it from here and go upwards to the top.
Am I doing this right?
Yes, just go upwards, yep. Start to spread it thin as you can. Like that. Now, and before it dries, we can start patting the straw so it can be wet and can get stuck to the mud.
And that does what? It helps reinforce it?
Yes, that way it won't crack, and you'll hold it so that it can stay, so it doesn't get cracks in the wall.
This feels better than it ought to. Raleigh found himself with a cause, building cheap, energy-efficient homes people can afford. He searched for a strategy to train and employ workers in Strawbale Construction. He stumbled upon Telamon Corporation.
They are a private nonprofit group, and the folks that they work with are migrant workers or seasonal workers that have been doing farm work in the past, and they're looking to be trained in new fields.
With federal assistance, Telamon Corporation pays seasonal and migrant workers to train in new skills.
Well, we figured out in a hurry that this is really easy to teach people, and that hands-on experience as you're learning is the best teacher that there is. Now I see people that have been involved with us for about 8 weeks that are excited, they're motivated. They know that they have a future with us.
But I want to know, what was in here that said, yeah, that works for me?
You know, I don't really have to think very much about it. I just realized that I can make a difference. I was just awed by the possibilities and realized that this is exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. I love doing what I do.
Raymond Ibanez was skeptical when he joined the crew, but with time he's discovered artistry in the work.
I've been coming out here, and I mean, it amazes me. I'd like to get into the sculpting part of this, you know, because I mean, just to round these windows off is sculpting, you know. I mean, it's not, you know, most people go square windows, and when I first come out here and seen all these windows where I was like, this is awesome.
You're going to finish up this project sometime next year. What's next after that?
Actually, prior to finishing here, we'll have set up a factory in order to build all the components that go into our homes. And the reason we would need a factory is because I want to build 50 houses right here in Durant.
Sounds like a subdivision.
Exactly. I want to build a whole subdivision.
Raleigh Mikan wants everyone to get involved. He dreams of entire communities of naturally built homes, and he wonders if you're ready to get your hands dirty.